Laura here, checking in. I am officially homeless and unemployed, and it's pretty great. I have a confession to make though. Some of you guys have known me a long time, and the past 3 years I've had kind of a different identity, a secret identity that a few of you know about. When I was hiking the John Muir Trail 3 years ago, I kind of transformed into SunUp. Hey Laura, what are you doing here? I'm taking us on an amazing adventure this year. Really? Where are we going? We're going to thru hike the Pacific Crest Trail. How long is it? 2,660 miles from Mexico to Canada. It starts down near the Mexican border and sticks along the highest points of the Sierra Nevada and the Cascade Mountains until we get into Canada. Well, how do I take that much time off of work? How can you take that much time off? Quit your job and sell all your stuff. What do you have all that crap for anyways, right? Just got a point there. But what about food and water and all the things we need to survive? Everything we need is right here in this pack. Well, food, obviously we can't carry everything that we're going to eat for 5.5 months. There's over 50 places you can stop off the trail and pick up some food and supplies. Sometimes it's close to the trail, sometimes it's a long ways, but we'll make it work. Sometimes we'll send boxes of food to ourselves, and hopefully we'll have a couple friends stop and meet us along the way. Water, there's some places you got to carry a lot of water, but there's actually an online water report that stays documented with where we can get water, where water is going to be hard to find, so not too worried about it. What about all the scary stuff out there? There's rattlesnakes and bears and mountain lions and strange hairy hikers. Bears, mountain lions, rattlesnakes. Walk around the rattlesnakes. Keep your food safe from the bears, and the mountain lions have never caused a problem for anybody on the Pacific Crest Trail. There's plenty of country for all of us out there. And what if we get lost? I have a terrible sense of direction. We have a satellite locator and a great GPS system on our phone. The trail is pretty well documented. There's not much chance of getting lost. What about the snow? The snow, we got the right gear. We'll go with the group. We'll stay safe. If it's impassable, we can always turn around. Wow, it sounds amazing. It's going to be amazing. We're walking through 7 national parks, 25 national forests, 35 dedicated wilderness areas. We'll be going over 60 major mountain passes. Past over 1,000 lakes. We'll start at barely above sea level as we cross the Mojave, and we will be going over 13,000 feet over Forester Pass. Of course, we're going to take the side trip up to the top of Whitney because you can't walk past the tallest mountain in the contiguous United States and not climb to the top of it. I can't wait. It's not going to be easy. elevation gain by the time we'd reached Canada would be the same as if we had climbed Everest around 17 or 18 times. In fact, more people have successfully summited Everest than have successfully through hiked the Pacific Crest Trail.